Gather your materials and follow along to make this fall wine glass. You'll need vinyl adhesive, a wine glass, transfer tape, feathers, string, a glue gun, scissors, and your cutting machine. Cut out the phrase "Give thanks" from the vinyl. You also want to cut several small circles to act as dots. I use transfer tape to add the phrase to the glass. I applied the dots by hand. Add some brown feathers to a piece of string using glue. Tie the feathers around the base of the glass. Serve your favorite wine or use as a piece of fall decor. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.